So we are very busy. Put like this.
Oh. Is it fake? 알폰소? 최초로 제대로 된 필리핀 음식을 저희 집에서 한번 해보겠습니다. 아, 그러면 저희 미세스 불불이 좀 화가 나겠지만 정말 프로페셔널 엠바시 서티파이드 셰프, 대사관에서 음식을 하시는 분이십니다. 근데 필리핀 대사관에 있으면 참 좋겠는데 알제리 대사관에서 필리핀에서 오신 셰프님이 한국에 있는 알제리 대사관에서 음식을 하고 계신다고 합니다. Belgium, a chef from Philippines in Korea, whose name is Belgium, cooks in Algerian embassy. 와, 나라가 4개가 나오네요. I have never met a professional chef in my life, actually. First time I see how he cooks Filipino food. So do you sometimes mix Filipino recipe for Algerian people? No.
No.
Secretly put some sinigang powder.
No. But in Korea, yeah, I do some fusion, like I make sinigang and then I put doenjang. So, have you tried it?
No.
You should try it.
He will cook Filipino Chinese, which I heard very trending food in the Philippines nowadays.
Siomai.
Siomai.
In Chinese, they call it, I think, shumai.
Shumai.
Pork siomai, but this is with shrimp. This is the normal ingredients mixed in shrimp and pork mixed together. Actually, this I haven't tried this one. They don't sell here the siomai wrapper in Korea. So one day I went to the foreign market and saw this. So I think.
And after siomai, actually my wife. Prepared. I should cook while he cooks something. So she prepared Okoy ingredient, but I don't know how to make it. Okoy sounds like Japanese food to me. Okoy, Filipino.
I think it's 100% Filipino.
Filipino food.
Ground samgyeopsal, ground pork.
Ground.
And we need some shrimp also. So the proportion is like a lot of pork and little shrimp. And we have some onion, spring onion, garlic, carrot, and that's it. And do you know this? This is like chili sauce. It's very spicy, made of. Have you seen the Philippine chili, the small one?
Yeah, small one.
Yeah, so this is that one. By the way, I have this also in my channel. I made this one, so if you like to try this, just check my playlist. This is not siomai if you don't have this one. So anyway, guys, I will not measure.
Your hand is scale.
Put this ground pork. Then we put the shrimp.
Ginger.
Put everything. So we put garlic. Onion.
Onion, Tagalog 뭐지? Tagalog?
Sibuyas.
Sibuyas. I like it. Sibuyas.
So we put also this spring onion.
파.
Chukpa. We leave some for the decoration later on. We keep this one.
Carrot in Tagalog.
Carrot.
내 그럴 줄 알았어. I think there is, but you don't know.
No, just carrot. We don't have carrot.
Please comment below if you know carrot in Tagalog.
K-A-R-O-T.
한국말도 그런 거 많다. There's no pineapple in Korean. You don't put vinegar.
No.
My misconception about Filipino food.
And toyo. You know what is toyo?
Toyo?
Yeah. Kanjang. Chamgirum.
참기름 is not common in the Philippines.
Yeah, because it's Chinese.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch. This helps the what do you call this?
Sticky.
Chapati, sticky and bouncy. This is my first time to make siomai in Korea.
You are professional. Professional means even you try something for the first time, you can predict the result.
Try the siomai here a little bit so I know the.
You check first before
yeah, I
you.
wanna try.
I think you can make it burger.
Yeah.
Yeah,
burger with this.
same.
You can- Next time you should try this and try.
Pork
Just
shrimp
shrimp.
burger.
Have you tried making mando, right? Wrapping mando.
No.
Let's try together.
Okay.
I think I just put salt.
맛있어. 맛있어.
Just do like this.
아.
One. And then just shoot it like that. Just it.
이게
siomai.
열린 거네. is opened.
Yeah.
Top opened.
So very easy. Put like this. I have in my video also how to make homemade siomai wrapper, so please check it out. At the bottom. Like
bottom.
this.
yeah.
I've been craving for this like for a long time.
Nagluluto ka din kuya sa bahay?
I don't cook at home. I just eat.
I think that's the number one question you get a lot, right? Basically, this is very simple, but it's very difficult to make. Maganda siomai. 이거는 자 오꼬이 맞아 오꼬이. 자 새우입니다 새우.
Put egg. I think we need 3 eggs with this one. Do you have some more egg? Oh, that's professional. Professional baker.
Is it common dish in the
Yeah.
Philippines? 오꼬이?
This is like a poor. I mean, if you don't have lots of money, you just
Low.
buy this low cost food.
Shrimp is
Yeah, it's not.
Alamang.
This is small shrimp, so it's not expensive.
asin,
Asin.
paminta.
Yeah. This is like John, right?
John.
Sir John.
Sir John.
Do you know Palasang Pinoy?
Panlasang Pinoy. Yeah, I always check out his video.
What do you think about it?
Yes, this is like that.
Smiling
That's fine.
today. Yeah.
He's the pioneer, you know.
Okay.
Let's try it first. I don't see.
Fat version Okoy. What is your favorite hard liquor? Filipino.
When I was in Philippines, we just always drink gin.
Here, bro.
Gin and Emperador was the famous that time.
Welcome to BulBul
House.
house. BulBul house. Okay, BulBul.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you
Panggapsanida,
for
Mr. BulBul.
cooking very good and masarap Filipino food.
We should try
Thank you.
first.
Drink first.
Okay, let's try. No, this is
No.
this is how you eat it. Don't be so excited. This is our soy sauce. So this one. This is how you serve siomai. You put there. And some soy sauce.
오.
One
오. 야, 예쁘네. 오.
One shot.
Ang tuko.
You don't need to lie, just taste good or not good.
맛있어. 오.
Some they fry this one,
Right.
but the most famous one they steam it.
Ano kuya? Okay
Hindi
lang.
ko pa nagagamit.
술을 부르는 맛인데.
And the calamansi. Yeah.
Now I understand. You said without that sauce, this is nothing. But this itself is really good. But with it, with chili sauce, 진짜 맛있네.
Usually it's more the soy sauce is little sweet.
오꼬이를 먹었습니다. 오꼬이.
It's too thick. SIOMAI king.
쿠키. 원래 한국에서 술은 막자는 똑같이 나눠 먹는 거예요.
Alfonso. Is this real one?
Is it fake? 알폰소? 메리 크리스마스.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
이게 되게 중요한 거야.
You know the Philippine maligayang Pasko.
말리가양 파스코?
Pasko.
What is 파스코?
Christmas.
그래서 파스코. 파스코 말리가양 해피.
Taon.
말리가양
Pasko.
파스코. 말리가양 파스코.